Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to get a refund on your CapCut Pro subscription. Now as you can see here I have opened the CapCut clause of terms of services just to get the most accurate informations that I can find. Now if I go to refund here in the page, if I go and search for it in the refund policy, if you believe that you are entitled to receive a refund, please contact us via capcut.support@bytedance.com. As you can see here, this email. So I will pause it for a few seconds just for you to copy it or rewrite it. And then for further information on refund procedure, any refund of subscription fees will be made with the same payment method you used for your payment of your subscription fees. So basically here, if you think that you are eligible for a refund, you will just have to contact them via email, via this email, or if you have made your subscription on Google Play or App Store, then in this paragraph here, if you subscribe to premium services through Apple Pay or Google Pay, your cancellation and refund is further subject to the terms and conditions of Apple App Store or Google Play. You will continue to have access to the premium services until your subscription payment is refunded by Apple or Google. So that's it basically. If you want to refund your subscription from your phone, either it's an iOS or an Android, you will have to go through Apple or Google Play. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.